Make your computer and speed up your laptop up to 200% without the use of third-party apps. Maybe you just got in your laptop, you power it on, it takes longer time before it wakes up. You command your computer to do any task for you. All it does is keep waiting before it opens. Then you need to run this test to clear your computer from disk mess. So stay tuned, watch this video to the end. So if these tips helps you, please consider subscribe to this channel at the end. The first thing you have to do is to open the run window by combining two keys, Windows plus R. It opens this box for you. Then here type in clean mgr. Hit the enter button or you click on the OK. It comes out like this. Then select your C drive. It comes out like this. Make sure that everything here is selected. Then once you select it, clean all files. Then it comes out like this again. Select the C drive again. Make sure that you select your C drive. It's very important. Wait a few seconds for this process to complete. Now it comes out like this. Then make sure that I've just cleaned up my system. That's why I'm having about 1.3 GB here. Then click on OK. Click on delete this file. Now you've been able to clean up your system. Henceforth, your system will start running very fast. Your system will start working very fine. This may take a little while depending on what you are deleting from your computer. Now the next thing you have to do is to right click here. Click on run box. Once you click on this run box, then type in temp, T-E-M-P. Hit the enter button. It comes out like this. I've just cleaned my computer, and that is why I'm having this just 55 items here. Click on any of these, then Ctrl A, Shift Delete, then click on Yes. Click on Continue. Just wait for it to come up. Then some of this file will not be able to be deleted just because you just open it. Check this box, then click on Skip. So with that, guys, you've been able to clean up your system. The next thing you have to do for me to clean up your system is to still combine Windows plus R key, and it brings to this interface. This time around, type in %temp %. Hit the enter button. As well, brings to this interface. You can have tons of information here. Click any one of it. Ctrl A, then delete. Then share this box and skip all. Then this will also reduce junks, or it will remove junks and other accumulated junks on your device. So you've been able to clean up junks here. Close this window. The next thing you have to do is very simple as well. We are still going to do the same process. Windows plus R. It brings to this interface. Now enter this information. Very simple. inet cpl.cpl. Hit the enter button or you click on OK. It brings you to this interface. You have a bunch of information here. Then go ahead and click on connection. Once you click on connection, then locate and tap on the settings, LAN settings. Then other LAN settings, if this box is checked, make sure you uncheck it. If you have any proxy server here, make sure you uncheck it. Click on this one that says automatically detect settings. Then click on OK. Click on OK. With this, it's going to remove every DNS settings that may accumulate junks on your device, and your device will start running very fine. The next thing is still on the same process. Windows plus R. Then enter the same command, that is inetcpl.cpl. Hit the enter button, you click on this OK. It brings to this interface. This time around, go and click on this advanced button here. Once you click on this advanced button, then come to this button that says restore advanced settings. Click on it. Now once you click on apply, click on OK. That will also remove some junks on your device. The next thing you have to do is to combine window plus R, or you right click here, you click on this run bus, it brings to this interface. Now type in prefetch, then click the enter button or OK. If you have any files here, Ctrl A to highlight everything, then delete it to wipe away those folders from here. With this, your computer will run very fast by deleting a lot of junk files on your device. So the last but not the least here that a lot of users ignore is the startup performance on your device. That is why when you turn on your computer and it takes longer time before it boots up, it is because some apps are running on the background. Each time you turn on your computer, the app will as well start turning on. This is not good. It's a bad thing about your computer. So you need to access the task manager. This can be carried out in various ways. So right click here, then click on task manager. Once you click on task manager, you have something like this. Come to the one that says startup button. Click on it. Once you click on the startup button, then take your time and take a look at what is here. The only thing that I will encourage you to run with your system here is one, this Intel graphic command, let it run with startup. So enable this to run. Then if you have any security, let it run. Or if you have any Microsoft information here, let it run with your device. Then as well, maybe you're working on a particular video or in a particular app on your device and you want to kill such apps. For example, let me open this Brave. So you see that the Brave is running at the background, and I discovered that the Brave is making my system to lag. By taking a look at performance, and you see that the performance is very high, the CPU is taking much time and lots. So all I have to do is to come to this progress, then this particular apps I want to stop or remove, just right click on it, then click on this end task. Doing so will take away the program that is running here and your computer will run very fast. Then don't forget to always come to this performance and check it out and see how your computer is running. And don't forget that we've talked about startup programs that may hinder your computer to run very well. So take your time and look at this. With this, guys, your computer will start running very fast if you turn on these settings. If you enjoyed this video and you're able to watch till this time and you've not subscribed, please, it's 1 second. That is what you can do to motivate me. Kindly subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to share. Your comment is very important to us, and I will see you soon, guys, on my next video.